freak of nature, that somehow nature has kind of crafted and sculpted this very weird thing. And to tell you the truth, I am on the fence. So I thought I would do a video sort of listing the pros and the cons, the reasons why I think it could be man-made and the reasons why I think that it could be natural. And then I guess we can all debate together and see what we see, because I'm just fascinated by it. It's just so bizarre to look at, and I'm on the fence, guys. I can't make up my mind. When they say it is a Japanese monument, it's actually way closer to Taiwan. Look on the map here, the pink star is where Yonaguni Island is. So I pictured it being literally just off the coast of Japan, but really it's much more closer to Taiwan. It doesn't really matter, but when we're working out whether or not it was above water and when, if this is a sunken monument, when did it fall into the sea, why, I mean, the geography it is important, I guess, when we're debating that. You can see from just looking at it off the bat how it instantly looks a little bit weird to be like a natural rock. You're like, okay, well there's steps, there's shapes there's like right angles and ledges, and it looks really ergonomic and sharp. And is that, I mean, I get why people instantly look at it and you think that's a castle. No, wait, is it? The first thing I did was look at the surrounding area, the rock that is currently above ground and below, and seeing what kind of rock is it. And you can see from the images that the rock it's kind of brittle. I am in no way, shape or form a rock expert, but just looking at it, it looks kind of like brittle, and it has a lot of completely straight lines that appear naturally in nature. Like here you can see that these lines, they almost look like they've been sliced by a laser, but that's just how the rock is. So when bits falls off, it does leave incredibly like flat ledges and areas. So seeing something that's kind of like at seeing a flat surface like isn't out of the impossible, because it's kind of how the rock crumbles and how the rock forms. You can see here, like underwater and above water, it's got this very linear, stripy essence to it. So that's a point to Team Natural, because the rock has that kind of structure to it anyway. You can almost just like probably easily chisel a chunk off and you'd get like quite a perfect block of cheese, well, block of rock, but you know what I mean. But then there are certain pieces like this one here which you look at and you go, man, that looks very similar to some of the sliced rock that we see in other parts of the world. Damn, like that does look like a man-made slice like you see in Egypt. Or there's a rock in the middle of the desert in Saudi Arabia that's got this like mad like laser cut through it.